Hi guys, I've not vlogged in so long. This is so weird. But I'm trying to get back into doing YouTube and vlogging again. I should have started the video earlier in the morning, but here we are. And oh my god, my hair needs to be done so bad. So I have my coffee. Yum. Ew. I have my coffee, made my bed earlier. Just packed up my book bag and I'm going to take a test right now. And yeah, I have a friend that's gonna help me take my test. And then I have class at 3:30 and I have another test. So I have to prepare for that a little bit before. And then after, I have to take a picture in this top, the one I have on underneath. See it? It's really cute actually. So I have to take a picture in that. This is the fit, by the way. I just put on this over because that's not a very appropriate shirt for school. So I just put on this over. I got my hair clip. And then I'm just wearing my Nike Air Force Ones. And yeah, that's the fit. And then I have church later tonight, which I'm gonna go to. Sorry, I'm just putting on perfume because I'm about to walk out the door. And then after church, I am gonna come home, gonna edit, and then I just gotta do my homework because tomorrow night, work tomorrow morning to the afternoon, and then tomorrow night I'm going to the lake for just a night. So gotta get everything done before then. So let's start the day and grind and get into it. I miss vlogging. I love this. Makes me happy. Sorry. Oh my god, whoever's just watching that probably just got so dizzy. Okay. Okay, I am packing a snack right now since I won't be home. Oh my gosh. Camera, are you okay? My nose bleeding? Interesting. Sorry for the technical difficulties. Ew. Okay, so I'm making a snack. I had 2 boiled eggs. Just put some salt and pepper on them. And then I'm cutting up I'll show you guys what I'm doing. Now I'm cutting up just a few slices of Colby Jack cheese. And then I am, okay, wow, that was a big slice. And then I'm gonna get some Ritz crackers. I don't know why I chose this knife out of all knives, but we're just going with it, you know. I'm running behind, per usual. Was gonna make a smoothie, but have not had time, so I'll make one when I get home with my dinner. I'll have a smoothie and a salad. Actually, I might have fried rice for dinner. Why is it saying my battery's almost dead? Okay, cut up the cheese. Got the boiled eggs, and then I'm just gonna put some Ritz crackers in here. Okay, so I got my Ritz crackers, cheese, boiled eggs, and a banana and water. And let's go. And also this morning I had toast with like an egg cracked in the middle of the toast. And that was my breakfast with coffee. And I think I might have a clip of that, so I'll try to insert that. It is currently 1 o'clock, so I'm gonna go take my first test and then eat my snack and take my second test, and I will update you guys throughout all of that. And then after my last test, take pictures. Let's go, schoolgirl.
Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Been trying to get a hold of you.
Hi guys, sorry I forgot to vlog. I'm at the school. UNG, yay. About to get my snack, my book bag. And I am going to walk into the school now. I just finished my first test. So I am going to take my next test. I gotta go in and study for a little bit before this test. I'm like extremely nervous about the last one. I think I got like an 80 something, which is pretty good. So I will catch you guys after my test. Hey guys, let me turn this air down a little bit so you can hear me. So I got out of class from my last test. I'm not really sure how I did. We're just gonna, you know, pray and hope for the best. I don't think I did like absolutely terrible, but I know I didn't get an A, which sucks. But, you know, it happens. It just means I need to study more next time, you know. But I went, so my silly self, after class, before class I plugged in my battery camera where I was studying just to, you know, see, or just to charge it for a second. And then I went and took pictures. I just took pictures right here, that little area. So I just like pulled into there and I took some good pictures. And I was like about to get my camera out to vlog, and I forgot my camera battery the whole time I was at class and the whole time I was taking pictures. So that's amazing, and it was there, so God loves me. But I took some pictures there, and I want to take more. I just need to find another spot. So I'm about to just kind of drive around. I think I'm gonna go get my nails done. So maybe I'll take pictures somewhere around where I get my nails done. And yeah, I think that's about all for the update right now. Sorry, I've basically been like talking this whole vlog and not much really anything else. I am on the way to nails and hopefully more pictures, which I will video that.
All night, we haven't talked in months, but that's alright. Was wondering if you wanted to go for a drive. I just need some fresh air and an old friend. I'm so glad that we started talking again. Yo, turn up the radio, I love this song. Remember when we used to stay up all night long? How's it been going? Oh, how's it, mom? The roads are so empty, this is so damn calm. If we stick on the highway, we can drive all night long. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. We can drive around to the sky and see meat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. I got my hands out the window, feeling the ocean breeze. Are we going again? Just you and I on another one of our famous midnight drives. Do you need to rant or just stay silent? Either or, you know I'm compliant. Take a left up ahead, we're going towards the horizon. Don't stop going till we see the sun rising. You know this is who we are, this is what we do. Driving in circles till we find something new. The only person I enjoy sitting in the car with is you. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. We can drive around to the sky and see meat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. I got my hands out the window, feeling the ocean breeze. If it's fine by you, I'll be beside you. you. Staring
Really
out
sad.
the window, looking at the summer view.
You're suffering to
Fine
bring you to a
by
place where
I'll
you just
be
I'm just
next
not.
to you.
I don't deserve to be happy.
If it's fine by you, I'll be beside you. Speeding down the highway with the wind blowing through. Everything around us feeling minuscule. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the
Hi
passenger
friends,
seat.
so I
If it's
just
fine by you, I'll
got
take
back
the
from church and I am backing into my parking spot at home. And yep, here we are home. Church was really good. I really loved the message tonight. And yeah, so now we are going to go inside. I'm really about to pee my pants any second now. So, oh, the lighting now is a little rough. So I'm gonna go inside. We're going to make dinner, and I know it's late. Well, y'all don't really know what time it is, but it's currently 9. And I just went and got gas as well because I have work early in the morning tomorrow. I didn't want to wake up and not have gas to drive to work because that wouldn't be good, you know. Please close the gate. Also, if I didn't get a good view of my nails earlier, I'm obsessed. They're sparkly. I don't know how well you can see them. I'll show you inside.
Like, if we could get
Say
this.
hi. Just say hi. Hey vlog. So I'm eating some, I just put fried rice on the stove and I'm eating that. It's really good. And I'm currently watching The Bachelor.
Yeah.
About to restart it. My roommate was watching it. And I got my apple juice.
Gentlemen, I'm sorry.
Ring light.
Rose, take a moment.
But yeah. So, and I'm gonna make a smoothie before I go to bed. So I'm gonna finish eating and then I'm gonna go upstairs. I have
What an
homework
experience.
to do
Drama unfolded in a way that didn't allow Claire and I
and some editing to do.
as much as this hurts right now.
So, yeah.
Feeling that pain is the right thing. It's like a raw nerve
I will
that you don't have any
catch you
control
guys
over.
after I eat.
That feeling is no hurt.
Water just gets my fork. No.
I wanted to
Also,
show
this
you
is just
we're
like a
not
frozen fried rice that I put on the stove.
You know,
I put soy sauce
wasn't meant to happen.
and yum yum sauce in it. Mmm. I should have put teriyaki sauce in it. Should I go put teriyaki sauce in it?
This might be
It's fine. It's good without it.
scenario because I
Okay.
felt there was potential there.
Okay, so my Princess Polly stuff came in, but I am going to post a video from my last Princess Polly run of stuff of the try-on haul that I didn't get to post yet. So it'll be a try-on haul from my last selection of Princess Polly stuff, my last selection of the Princess Polly stuff I received in August, and then this group of stuff that I received in October. So those will be, I'll link the video and, well, it'll probably be up honestly before this video. I'm not sure. But just make sure to watch that if you want to see what I picked from Princess Polly. Picked some Halloween stuff and just some spooky fall stuff, you know, and yeah. But I'm gonna go try on that stuff and do that video. So
Take the passenger seat. If it's fine by you, I'll take